In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English, Term 1, Unit 1, Exploring Space. Lesson 1, Earth the Desolated Home. Part 2. Come, let us continue the lesson. In the hab, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood. She asked, why do you say so, Grandpa? Grandfather explained to Arivu, the vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth. Arivu asked eagerly, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on earth? In part 1 video, we have seen humans destroyed the earth and settled on Mars. Arivumadi's family also lived on Mars. Her grandfather came to meet Arivumadi. Then both of them visited the vegetable hab. In the hab, grandfather said that these carrots are not tasty like the one he had in his childhood. Then she asked, why do you say like this? Grandfather said that vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you too had tasted the carrots from the earth. Then Arivumadi asked eagerly, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on earth? Hearing this, grandfather was reminded of life on earth. He said, the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grow were healthy and tasty. She asked, but I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? Arivu asked, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on earth? By hearing this, grandfather said that earth had fertile soil. Fertile means healthy soil. So all the fruits and vegetables grow there were very healthy and tasty. Have you tasted the fruits and vegetables? Yes, really very tasty, isn't it? Then Arivu asked, but she learnt human used chemical fertilizer and polluted the soil. Yes, now few peoples are using chemical fertilizer and polluted the soil. And she said that on Mars they get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? She asked to Grandpa. Grandfather laughed. These fruits, vegetables and water are not same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivumadi exclaimed, even the water? He said, of course. In Mars we get water from burning fuels. Arivu said to her grandfather that they got unpolluted food and water. Is that right? Grandfather laughed and said that these fruits and vegetables, water are not the same as in the earth. Actually, they are not real. She was exclaimed, even the water? Grandfather said, yes, of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. Fuels means an energy source for engines, power plants or reactors. Do you know how do we get water? Yes, we get water from the rain. Yes, on the earth we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult. He replied, yes, my dear, adapting the Mars is difficult. Today we are fighting for the things which we got easily. On the earth we get water from the rain. Yes, it was natural and also free. But here it's not like that. We get water from burning fuels. Arivu said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. And she said that she knows that life was very easy, but here survival is very difficult. Survival means to remain life. He replied, Yes, my dear, adapting the Mars is difficult. Yes, adapting means adjusting. Adjusting the Mars is very difficult. So today we are fighting for the things which we got easily. Yes, what are the things we got easily on the earth? For that, they are fighting to get the things in the Mars. He continued, in the earth, you did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Harivu said, yes, Grandpa. In the earth, we get natural air. But in the Mars, we need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder. Other than that, the years are longer in the Mars. Arivu accepted and said, yes, Grandpa. In Mars, 668 sols makes a year. That means in the Earth, 687 days. He smiled, ha ha, yes, you would be 18 years old on the Earth now. In the Earth, 365 days makes a year, isn't it? Yes. And he said that you would be 18 years old on the Earth now. What is our age? Yes, nearly 9 to 10 years. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Yes, naturally we got home, that is earth, but what we did, we destroyed our home and trying to make the Mars to our home. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa, the scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home. Ha, let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. Arivu said to Grandpa, don't worry, Grandpa, scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. Scientists means who are expert in science. And they are trying to terraform. Terraform means a process by which make the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. So they are trying to make the Mars like the Earth. And he said that yes, it's true, but nothing can be the Earth. Anyhow, Earth is specific. Then she said that, let us leave this now. Today we should celebrate because Arivu's birthday. What actions destroyed the earth? Using plastics, cutting more trees, using chemical fertilizers. So these are the things destroy the earth. How will you change it? Yes, we have to avoid plastics and chemical fertilizers and grow more and more trees. To save the earth, every year on your birthday, you plant a sapling. So, our earth will be safe for our future generations. Save Earth.